In the today's video, we will how to add a Roman numbers in MS Word. So without wasting much time, let's start the video. To add Roman numbers, click on Insert, go to Symbol, click on More Symbols, select Times New Roman here, and in Subset, select Number Form. Select Number Form. Now here you can see multiple Roman symbols here. To insert that, click on First. So here you can see that the Unicode name, Roman number 1, and his shortcut key also showing here. You can directly insert with this shortcut key also. To insert from here, click on that number and click on Insert. So here you can see one number is inserted. Like that, you can insert multiple numbers in serial wise. Here V, Roman V for 5 number. So now, if you wanted to write a 50 number in Roman word, so N for 50, clicking on it and insert. If you want to write a 100, so for that Roman C is the Unicode. Select it and insert it. If you want to write 100 in Roman words, then Roman D is a Unicode for this. Similar way, if you want to write a 1000, so for that Roman M is a Unicode. Select it and insert it. Now I am closing this. So in this way you can add a Roman word in MS Word. So hope this video is helpful to you. If yes, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.